Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to pair a Bluetooth device with your Microsoft Surface Pro 12. So, first of all, we're gonna have to make sure that our Bluetooth device is in pairing mode. Usually you would have to hold down the pairing button until the LED indicator of your Bluetooth device starts blinking. And after that, you have to open the control center by tapping right here. Then tap the arrow icon next to Bluetooth and select the Bluetooth device that you want to connect to. Make sure that it's not connected to any other device. Okay. Tap on your Bluetooth device and wait until you are connected. Now, to disconnect from it, you have to go to More Bluetooth Settings, and then tap the three-dot icon in the top right corner of your device and tap Disconnect. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.